Hi traders and welcome to the channel. So today we are going to see how we can grow this small account steadily. You can see the balance is at $16 and we are going to use the ProfitMax Pulse Premium tool to get entries on even and odd. But before that, there are two bots here that you can use. For growing a small account, I advise you to use the ProfitMax Surge AI. You can also use this one, but the martingale is set at 2. Okay, this is the ProfitMax Alpha version 2025. But if you have a small account and want to protect your capital, you use this bot. That is a ProfitMax Surge AI 2026. And then you set up the trade type. We are working with the even odd. We'll be staking $2, targeting 6. The martingale factor is set at 0.5. And then our target profit there is 3 times of $2. That will be $6. And then now we come to the tool, okay? So we'll scout for good markets using this tool. Initially, start premium there. I will leave the password below the video. And then you can now scout. Let's see 75 1S. And you can see already there, we are being told to prepare for even trade, okay? So come back to the tool again. And you can see at this state now, it's telling you to get prepared to get even trades. Okay, so we wait for the final confirmation and then we simply run the bot. Okay, so let's wait and see. Volatility is 75 1S, and you can see that location there. It's why it tells you whether to prepare your bot for even or odd. Right now you can see it's on even. It has retracted again, disappeared. So we wait again, or you scout. We scout and look at volatility 25 1S. Let's look at volatility 25 1S. Go to 100 1S, and here we can see prepare for odd. So we come back to the bot, adjust the market to 100 1S, and then the contract type is odd. Already our stake is there. So we'll be targeting 3 times of $2, that is 6. And then you can see now we're on standby. And in case the trade comes through, you'll be able to see the signal that normally is given by the tool, and then you simply run the bot, okay? So we're on standby now. Let's wait and see. We tuned the tool for this kind of a setup because it was getting more wins. So maybe you've seen a previous version of this tool operating. Right now, we leave it at where it is. There we are. You've seen the flash. We're in the market. The first trade is a win. Second trade is a win. Third trade is a win. Fourth, and I think you can see we've hit our take profit, made 6.76. Okay. So that is the tool, guys. Let's reset again and see if we can still capture an odd trade. We are in the market. Maximum do in one session, maybe do only 2 entries because again, we are trading volatility indices, and like the name volatility means, the market keeps changing. Okay, even right now you can see the momentum or power that we had before is not like what we are getting in this trading session. You can see losses here and there and then recovery. And in the first trade that we took, the momentum or the power was at its maximum. So right now it's dying away. And I believe we can still maybe manage and hit that take profit and then out, okay? But that is the procedure. If you use the link below the video, come to bots.profitmaxtrader.com, access the bot that I've shown you, and then use this tool to get entries, okay? So I have stopped there because that market proved to be not right, okay? So you observe it, and then once you recover at a stage whereby you've not gone into loss, you can be out of the market, okay? Let's see. That market is dying away, and you can see it's gone, okay? So we scout again, 75 1S. We scout again. Let's look at 100 1S. And here you can see already, we are told we can take an odd trade. So we come back to the tool, adjust again, and then be on standby, okay? So we are on standby again. We are on standby, and once we see the entry, all you need to do is to simply run your bot. And the advantage of this kind of a setup is you can always stop the bot if you see the trade is not going your way, okay? There we are, we have an entry and we're in the market. So let's observe and see. Recovery. Observing. Like I said before, all these entries or logic that you see here, it's not easy to look at the digit percentage circles there and then come up and decide. It's possible, but with such a tool, the tool will help you in terms of getting those conditions are right, okay? No tool is 100%, but at least with this kind of a tool, it can help you. You can see we've already hit our take profit, and now we stand at $30, guys, okay? So I always say, try the tool out on demo. This is a real account. And you can see we were taking $2. So let's say we had a bigger account. That is the demo, and this is real, okay? And that is the tool. The password is below. And like I was saying, let's say if you have some good capital, you can see those trades already by now would have made something substantial. So that is the bot. And then all you need to do is to come to the bot section, select the ProfitMax, search AI, load like that. That is the bot. Because I have people asking me every time, that is the bot you're supposed to use. Okay, guys? So all the links are below the video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe. And then let me hear from your comments how it goes. Try it out on demo before doing it live. Happy trading and good luck.